A chance seedling gets a little bit of a helping hand. Hello, welcome to Get Gardening. I'm Alan Gray, and you can see here today I'm surrounded by the most beautiful semi-double rambling rose. What's his name? Well, it doesn't have one, because it is a chance seedling. And this piece of brickwork behind me has an expansion joint between it and the wall, and this rose decided that it would poke a shoot through. Come and look where it germinated. Now this is the rose. It germinated here in the dark on the north side of an entrance gate. This is an entrance gate to East Ruston Old Vicarage. We call it the postman's gate because he or she is the only person that ever uses it. And the rose is growing on the north side, which is not good for it. It likes to have its head in the sun. And to its advantage, it actually pushed a shoot through an expansion joint in the wall here. If you come closer, you can actually see between the wall and the gate pier, there's an expansion joint, and the rose has gone through that. But last week I thought, well, I'll put some trellis on this wall here. So I got Matt to help me, and we put some trellis here and some trellis up there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to train this rose. I'm going to manipulate it to my advantage and to its advantage, because I'm going to make sure that the shoots go just over the wall so they can cascade down at flowering time. When it's finished flowering, I can trim them back so they're nice and neat and they don't impinge on the architecture. Let's go around the other side again. Not only do we get lovely clusters of semi-double white blossom, but we get a scent too. Now this archway here over the postman's gate contains a coat of arms. And that coat of arms is the coat of arms of the city of Manchester. Now, many years ago, I was an antique dealer and I went to a sale, and laying on the grass was this coat of arms all in pieces. I didn't know who or what the coat of arms belonged to, but I could understand the motto, Concilio et Labore, by counsel and by labour. And I further interpreted that as by argument and damned hard work, because that is the way this garden was made.